Hey friends, Cherie here. Welcome back to the channel, Cherie's Alchemy Shop TV, where we're here to look at a gorgeous fabric collection featuring some cotton lawn or cotton voile fabrics. So yeah, I'm going to get the camera turned around and we'll have a quick peek. Okay, so first up we have the marigold print in the colorway rose. So pretty. It's like a mauvey pink color tonal print. It's a tonal print and really pretty. The second print we have is the monk's hood, small monk's hood in mineral. It's a one-way directional print running horizontally with the grain line. Our third print is the regular size monk's hood. This is a little bit bigger than the small. It's a little bit bigger than the small monk's hood. And this colorway is fuchsia. It's a really beautiful pink and green. And if you get real close, you can see it's not a solid background on the monk's hood print. It has another pattern. It has another pattern revealed in the background. Really pretty. Our fourth print is my personal favorite. This is Campanula. And again, it is a directional print. You can see here, the flowers are running up and down. The flowers are running up and down the length of the fabric. And this colorway is called Sea Glass. So pretty. And then our fifth and final print for this video is called Hyacinth, and the colorway is also mineral. This is the one that we looked at the intro. And again, it is a directional print. And again, it is a directional print. Well, I guess you could invert this one if necessary, but it is, I think, designed to be directional. Now, I do have a few more cotton lawns yet to get in from this collection. I think they will arrive tomorrow, but I wanted to go ahead and get this out because I am listing things in the shop and wanted to give you a heads up about them. I did also pull two patterns just as recommendations for using this fabric. I think this fabric would be beautiful in any of the views here on this McCall's 7759. I plan to make views C and probably even view D. A quick look at the back of the pattern if anyone's interested. It is considered an easy pattern. It is considered an easy pattern. It says here, very loose fitting. Jackets have fronts and backs gathered into the yoke, front opening and length and sleeve variations. So for A and B, you have a tie closure, and for C and D, you have no closure at all and side slits. So a really uncomplicated make, and I think would be a beautiful design to feature these cotton lawns. I also think that this fabric would be beautiful sewn up using New Look 6378. This is a pattern that I have done. I can't remember if it's a full sew along, but it's certainly a partial sew along on my personal sewing channel. And I will link to that video in the description box. It's a very easy pattern to put together. And just a quick look at the back here. Again, it is rated as an easy pattern. Yeah, and this doesn't have any closures whatsoever. You just have, to do your back seam, your side seams, attach sleeves if you're putting on sleeves, do your hemming. Really straightforward. So these are the two recommendations in addition to the third recommendation I would make with you all to use sewing up this pattern. I mean, you can use this fabric for, anything, pants, blouses, skirts, accessories. But I did also make another little duster during Vlogmas. That would be darling with these fabrics as well. I will link to that in the iCards right now. And I'll also put the link in the description box, okay? But again, I think that the Bedford collection is gorgeous in general. I do have the full collection in the cottons, quilters cottons, though I'm using most of that for my handmade business, but I will be allocating some yardage to put in the Etsy shop there as well. But again, This is the cotton lawn, the first part of the cotton lawn collection. All right, so thank you so much for joining me as I shared this Bedford cotton lawn collection from Morris & Co. Again, I will link to the Etsy shop in the description box if you would like to go over and check these fabrics out. Perhaps you would like to use them in an upcoming spring project. I'll be back to share with you what I end up making with this as well. Take good care. Bye.